On this video, I'm going to show you the best easy way for you to fund your Binance account from your Advcash account.
And I believe most people know about this Advcash platform. But if you don't know about Advcash is an international monetary platform that hailed as a payment tool for crypto and other fiat, and it is a free, easy to use platform. And I've already made an old video about Advcash, so you just have to watch that video at the top right to know how to verify your account. So all you just need to do is to register an account on this platform using the link below, and you just have to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, then input a password by which you will use to access your account. Then you just got to complete this little captcha and click on register. But if you already have an account, you just have to navigate to the login section, then log it to your dashboard and make sure that your account is verified. So you just have to watch that video at the top right or the comment section below so that you get your account verified as a Nigerian. And it is very easy when using the desktop version.
So before I proceed to the video in detail, if you find it difficult to understand any part of this video, you just have to let me know on the comment section below. And if you know you got any value from this video, make sure you show it by liking this video and subscribe to the channel for more free informative content like this. Now the first thing you need to do is to connect your Advcash to Binance by just clicking on buy crypto, and on the buy crypto section you'll be able to see all the information you need to know, which says powered by Binance, and you can see that my account is already linked to Advcash. So I'm just going to unlink it to show you how it is done. Then you'll be able to see this option that says link Binance account from scratch. Then you just have to click on link Binance account. Then you'll be able to see that you are requested to input your email address that you used to create your Binance account. So you can just input the email address, or you click on email address, then click on continue, and automatically you'll be able to see that my email address is now linked to my Advcash account. So now the next thing to do is to convert these US dollars to euro, because you can only deposit euro to Binance via Advcash. So now for you to convert the dollar to euro, you just have to navigate to this section that says currency exchange, then click on it and wait for it to load up, and it will take you directly to this dashboard whereby you just have to input the amount that you want to convert from your dollar. Then you just got to select the address, which is the wallet that you want to convert to, which is euro. Then after that, when you input the amount, the equivalent will display below on the euro tab. So you just have to scroll down, then click on continue. So after confirming the transaction, you'll be able to see that your dollar account, which is your dollar balance, is now zero, while your euro is now bearing the balance of the total account. So the next thing to do is to come to your Binance account, and on your Binance account you just have to navigate to the wallet section and click on fiat and spot for it to deposit into your Binance account, then wait for it to load up. So the next thing to do on your fiat and spot is to click on this icon that says deposit. Then you just have to click on it and wait for it to load up. And when it loads up, you'll be able to see that it will take you directly to this deposit fiat section, and you have to deposit euro, so you just have to leave it on euro. Now after that, you'll be able to see the payment method. You can see that bank transfer, which is SEPA, 0 fee, and bank card, which is 1.8%, but we'll be using this other payment method. And when you click on it, you'll be able to see this option that says Advcash balance, so you just have to leave it on Advcash, which is 0 fee. Then scroll down and click on continue. So with that, it will take us directly to this section whereby we just have to input the amount that you want to deposit. So let me just say 2 euros. Then when I click on it, it will be able to see that this confirm icon is now showing clearly now. So you just got to wait for it to load up, then scroll down and click on continue, then wait for it to load up. So with that, it will take us to this redirected page, and this page is live, so we just have to wait for it to load up, you understand. And after that, it will take us to this section whereby we just have to log in to our Advcash account. So you just got to input my email address and my password, then click on login to Adv. So with that, it will take us to this section whereby we just have to confirm the transaction, and you can see that the amount is 2 euros and my balance is 2.76 euros. So you just have to take note of it, then click on confirm, and wait for it to load up. So on this sub menu that pop out, you just need to take note of the instruction that is given there. It says that please confirm this transfer. It only takes few seconds, and you just have to go to your email address to confirm this transaction. Then you just got to click on confirm. Then I go to my Gmail and I'll be able to see this first message that says advance cash. Then when I click on it, you'll be able to see that it says please confirm withdrawal. So I will just have to scroll down, then I'll be able to see this green button that says confirm. Then I click on it and wait for it to load up, and you can see that it says thanks, the service is checked successfully, please go back to the browser. So I've just got to come back to this browser and click on confirm again, then wait for it to load up, and you can see that the payment is completed. So I just got to click continue and go back to my Binance account, and you'll be able to see that if the transaction is successful, it's going to show order submitted. So you just got to click on either go back to wallet or proceed to history. So that is just basically the easiest way to deposit your Binance from your advanced cash account. Now the main reason why I'm making this video is that I just saw an unlimited opportunity whereby we can deposit our Binance account via advanced cash account, and I'll be dropping this update on this channel. And remember, Nigerian bank card does not work on this platform, but we are going to use a third party and easy method to deposit on our advanced cash account. Then we deposit the money on our advanced cash account to our Binance account, then take advantage of the price as an arbitrage opportunity. So make sure you don't miss that update by joining our Telegram community, which the link is on the video description below, and also follow me on Twitter at simplydmo. So with that being said, use the comment section for your compliment and question, and as you already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.